In this 3-minute video, I'm going to show you how to place a scheduled order. By using the Scheduled Mailings feature, it allows you to place an order for a postcard today and will mail it out on a date that you specify. This is a great option for the busy real estate agent who can take a few minutes of spare time to place a scheduled mailing order and decide when that mailing will hit mailboxes some point in the future. Let me show you how it works. Here we are on the proof screen, and we've selected a postcard from our animal series. By the way, scheduling your order and using standard class postage might save you a lot of money. There's a difference of about 15 cents per postcard when you switch to standard class postage from first class postage. Let's take a look at these 3 options. If you want your postcard mailing to go out at some later date, click the Schedule for Later button. If you want to save this postcard and work on it more later on, click the Save button. That will put it into your Saved Projects folder. If you're ready to have this postcard mailed out immediately, click the Add to Cart button. Let's go ahead and schedule this postcard to be mailed out at a later date. So make sure this box is checked, and then click the Schedule for Later button. Now it's time to schedule your order. First, we'll choose the scheduled date. This is the date that your order is printed and mailed. You can click this icon to display a calendar. If you decide you really want your mailing to go out immediately, just click this Send Now link. Step 2 is the payment method. If you have a promotional code, enter it here and click the Apply button. Even if the promo code expires before your order is printed and mailed, you can still enter it here as long as it is valid when you place the order. Step 3 is the location that we will send your free sample postcard to. And Step 4 are the items in this order. When everything looks good, click this yellow Schedule Your Order button. That's it. Your order has been submitted, and it will be printed and mailed on the date that you specified. If you'd like to see a list of your currently scheduled orders, just come up here and click on your email address, and then click on Scheduled Orders. You can edit your postcard or update the mailing list anytime up until the day the order is scheduled to be printed and mailed. We'll send you an email the day before we're going to print and mail your order to remind you to make any changes if you need to. And finally, we won't charge your credit card until we actually print and mail your order. Remember, what gets scheduled gets done. So try a scheduled order today. If you have any other questions, please contact us at 866-405-3638 or email us support@ProspectsPLUS.com.